Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm quickly gonna show you how I use 3 products to grow my hair and also to cure alopecia. So I am suffering from alopecia and I use these products in combination to really stimulate hair growth, and it has shown to work. So it's pretty amazing, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I do that and what I use. Okay, so if you're interested, please stay around and enjoy the video and try these new tricks and see how they make a difference to your hair shedding, hair falling off, and also alopecia if you're experiencing alopecia hair loss. Okay, so yeah, enjoy guys. Bye guys. Here we are. What we have are the products that I'm gonna use. First, I'm gonna use this rice water. So what I have in here is rice, here water, and orange peel. Okay, so I have that fermented. It has been fermenting for maybe 3 to 4 days, so it's ready to be used now. And we're gonna use coconut milk. No, this is coconut oil. So yes, we're gonna use coconut milk. This is the one I used. If you want to use a different brand, that's also fine as well. You don't have to use this particular one. Okay, so any coconut, or if you want to make it yourself, buy whole coconut and blend it and do it yourself, that's also fine. So here, after that, we're gonna seal everything in with this coconut oil. This is amazing. It's really gonna make a big difference to your health, to the health of your hair. Okay, so here is some leftover coconut milk that I already have, so we're gonna use that. Okay, so I just had this just to show you the one that I'm using, and here I already have some in this bowl that I've been using before. Okay, so here and then here. So yeah, so here I have this spray bottle that I'm gonna fill with my rice water, and I'm gonna pour my coconut milk in this bowl. So let's get to it. So okay guys, I am ready to start applying the spray to my hair. Here, that's the rice water. I want to go through and saturate and massage it in. Okay. Okay, it's good if you work in section. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna work in section. Okay, so remember I have alopecia, so you'll see the back of my hair. It's like it has no hair. Okay, you want to make sure you get every stream of hair. We're gonna go through with the coconut milk. And now, just to seal it in, we're gonna use our coconut oil. Also, I was starting to have problems with here, you can see. And then I really started focusing on the edges and it stopped falling. and it's growing back pretty well as well. So here I have some spots as well, so I'm gonna apply some of these coconut milk to it. Okay, and we're just gonna go ahead and twist away. If you want, you can follow through with either a detangling brush or a wide tooth comb to detangle, but I've recently detangled my hair, so I do not need to do that. I'm just gonna twist it away. And you can go ahead and take some oil and just put it at the end. So just repeat the same process, spraying here with the rice water and massage it in. To get the ends as well. If you have a massage brush or a tweezer, you can use it as well. That's gonna be great. But if you don't, just use your fingers to just go through and massage your scalp, okay? Just to stimulate that blood flow to your scalp. Okay. Right here. And now we're gonna go through with the coconut milk. Okay, so always get your edges very well because it's the most fragile part of your hair. Like, look, this one, you see how short it is? This was all bald, okay? So I had no hair in here at all whatsoever, and using this process, it has grown my hair a lot. And you can see here, I still have some that's not back yet, but it's growing in, so trust in it. Keep applying it consistently, and you will see beautiful results. Now that I have it in, okay, we're going to continue to massage it in, making sure that area gets coated. Okay, you see all here, I had no hair. You see. So it did take a while. It didn't grow overnight, but like a few months. But again, if you keep at it, you will see results. So now we're gonna go ahead and seal in that moisture with our coconut oil. So again, start at the root. Okay, massage it in. Now, the length of the hair, and then the very tip. You want to saturate that with oil. Once you're done, you're just going to twist away. Okay, take a little bit of oil, and then we're going to coat the end of it, and then we're going to twirl it around the finger. Okay, that's it. Now I just have one more section left. So this is all the little hair that I have come off, okay? Yeah. So that's that, guys. It's done. So that's how much I have left. I'm gonna store this one in the fridge because I don't need it to ferment some more. If you wanted to ferment some more, you can leave it on your countertop and it will continue to ferment. But I'm just gonna store this in the fridge, and then today is Sunday. On Wednesday, I'm gonna do the same thing again. Okay, so that's that. I am done, guys. Here. And that's gonna stimulate beautiful, beautiful, beautiful hair growth. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to rate and subscribe and also share it. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so that's what I did with them. I could leave them like that and just go about my day, but I'm gonna use a wig, okay? So I'm gonna just add some hair to it, some hair to it. This is a half wig. I think I'm gonna have to end up making it full.